Hello my friends, I'm Ankit Malik. In this video, we are going to discuss how to make a Pataka sound with your Royal Enfield bullet bike. The first thing you need to do is changing your default company fitted exhaust with a new hollow exhaust. This hollow exhaust is easily available on bike service stations of your city. The first thing you need to do is hold your bike clutch, accelerate your bike to the maximum and turn the fuel button off and on. You can also do this by turning the switch key off and on. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a nice day.